All right, this is Liberty Machinery's Hurco model VM2 vertical machining center, new 2005.
And you want to take a look around here a little bit? I've already homed the machine. Oh, the control went to sleep on me, but I can bring the control up. We'll come back to this. Just in a manual mode. It's got the max control on there. I got a couple of tools in there that we can index with in a minute here. One vise up there, and we're running one program that I can show you. If we take a quick look around the side and the rear here, we've got not much going on here. Back side, we've got documentation, diskettes for documentation are all here, and the Escala drive. The servos are up in here, and the frequency drive for the spindles right there. The 626 is all good equipment. And of course, down low, as you come down low here, the controller itself. And even further down is the air package, and we got this little swing out deal for the oiler, which is nice for servicing, but there's the oiler for the way lube, and the air package off to the left down low there, so. Cooling system's off to the side here. That's pretty much it. My cord's coming in. I'm temping at 230 volts right now. That's what it's running at. Come back around here. Can't do much with the carousel. I could open the door, but it's kind of tight right in here. But it does show a 16 tool carousel. But if you want to maybe try and get a shot up on that, I was going to do a tool change in a minute, but this one's really covered pretty good. So I'm only using two tools right now, tool 1 and tool 11, which is two different pockets. Yeah. Okay, and we'll do some manual movement of the 3 axes now. I think I'm pretty much there. Chat tool, I'm in manual. We can do X at 10. Z, what am I, Z, okay. That's full out on Z.
Rod?
Yeah,
can you stand up to the right a little bit?
Oh, you want to see some of this? Sure. Kind of off. Here we go. I know you can get that wide on the lens. There's Z. At roughly 100% feed on the jog. That's all it's going to give you. And then we can go a little bit faster on X and Y. They let you have more. There's Y. That times 100 on the multiplier. It's a little bit quicker. Actually, I could overclock at 120%, just to give you an idea. That's moving along pretty fast. And over to X, same thing. Slow it down a little bit. There's 90%. And having said that, maybe we could do a tool change in here right away. Tool and spindle. I'm hitting F1. These are all. I could probably hit it. I think these are all touching. Yeah, you could touch them too, same way. Or off the keyboard. I'm just used to using the F keys on the keyboard. We've got tool and the spindle is number 11, so I'm just going to call next tool number 1. It's the only 2 tools I'm using here. Enter that and start cycle. Let's see if she goes. And that's got it in position. And 1, enter. Go into auto on the tool changer. I think this gives it to us. There we go. Let's do that again. Let's bring number 11 back. I'm just doing this manually on the screen right now. I'm just going to put number 11 in. Next tool, 11. Enter. And then go to auto on the tool changer, and we'll bring back the 11. And then from right here, quite honestly, if we wanted to go into auto, you go into auto, starting block, and ending block. It shows 3 blocks right here. And again, it's an F key, F8, run program. is right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slow down the feed rate and the override, and we'll speed it up and do, it's only about a 56-second part. Now it's ready to start cycle, so let's see what we get here. We're running about 3,600 RS. I forgot to run the spindle, but we're running it now. I'll change spindle speed while we're running, or maybe right after we're done we can fire it up too. That's doing a 6-hole flange. I'm just going to let that go kind of easy for a minute. I'll bring it up in a minute, speed it up. But while you're doing that, if you come over here, I can just hit draw, Pete, and show this. And here's what we're doing on here. It's just a 6-hole flange here, multiple windows showing a 3D or otherwise. So that's kind of where we're at. And right back to manual is what we're doing. And if you see now, I'm doing feed 47%, rapid 27. I'm going to speed the feed up. There's 50, 60, 70. I'm going to put this at 100 right there. I'm going to do the same to rapid now that we know we're in good shape. Right about, yeah, there's 100. We're about on the 4th or 5th hole now. I can speed that up a little bit too, the spindle. It's up to 4,000. We can do this by itself in a minute as soon as the program's done. Let's do it all over again. Everything at 100% this time, the whole job. There we go, full out. 6 holes. I'm sorry, was that 5 holes? 6 holes, okay. That's pretty good there. And getting back in the manual, like I said, we can do a manual setup here on F2, which actually manual feed, manual spindle speed. We've got 4,000 in there already, so I can just leave it on there and probably hit spindle on. I think I get my 4,000 straight away. Press cycle start for the first time. And that is at 2375, so now I can just dial it up. I'm way down on the minimum on percentage. It was programmed for 4,000, so I think 100% is right at the 12 o'clock mark here. The compressor will shut off in a minute, then we'll dial it up. There's 3,000. There we go, there's 3,000. We'll go up to our program speed of 4,000, which is at 12 o'clock on the percentage. And we can override it just to listen to the spindle. Sounds good though. This is 5,200. 6, 7, 8 full outs. Sounds nice. Back down to about 4. That's our program speed at 100%. Spindle stop. And that's pretty much the gist of it, as far as manual operation is concerned.